And since I like gold, I'm going to break out my gold. And since the acrylic wash, is permanent, once it's dry, I don't have a problem with it bleeding or lifting up. And a little bit of gold on these flowers, because why not? Over the outline using the Statler 1.0 because I like to reestablish the stark black lines. You can forego this if you want. This is just my process. Just make sure that your wash is dry. That way you don't mess up your nib. And let's see, going in with my 07 for the ancillary lines. And I'm actually, when there is a bump where the acrylic wash was over the line, I'm incorporating that as well. So making it a bit more organic. Again, you can add your own flair. I'm just giving you an idea of what you can do. Let's go a little bit there. Okay. Doing in a little bit of line with the gold that I painted there. Gives the gold a bit more pop. I don't think I'm going to do the black around this gold. I like the way it looks. But I am going to round out around the 3. And maybe the corner a little bit. The rounding out is repetitive and relaxing, but it's also, I think, one of my go-to techniques that make the piece my own. As you develop your doodling style, you'll develop your own signature lines or what you like to do. And because I don't know when to quit, I'm going to go in with my 0.3 and just add some more depth. Just enough to add more movement within the piece. Okay, so what do you think? I'll try to give you a close-up. Actually, going in with the Okay, now we're done, I think. Hope you had a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.